Brie Buckle.
Hi,
Brittany has to be in the middle because she's the camera hog, FYI.
Yeah.
Hey.
That was definitely my job.
We're making cupcakes. Yeah, vanilla, chocolate. Yeah,
Vanilla. It's just yellow. It's not vanilla. It's just yellow cake.
My head is down in shame. So how's soccer going, Brie?
She can't answer you.
Oh, well, she can comment back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So how's soccer? Oh, that's great.
That's cool.
Yeah, you can comment back on that too.
Definitely, definitely.
This is what we do on Friday nights. We bake cupcakes because.
Only at my house.
What are you doing tonight?
Da, da, da.
I'm not making cupcakes.
Okay,
We're making two separate kinds. Like,
Yeah.
Do you want some?
Look at the cake pans.
They're color coordinated.
What?
That's because of me.
I guess I wasn't doing a good enough job. So she had to do it again.
Okay, this, Amanda, you put too much water. Definitely, and the egg is not mixing up.
You put way too much water.
I put 1 1/4 cup.
Let me see how much you put in.
1 1/4.
I think your hair's blonde. Yeah? Yeah,
It's
blonde.
not.
Okay.
How much oil?
Well, talk to you later. Bye. Bye.